The Lantra Land-Based Awards are always one of the highlights of the agricultural calendar in Wales. Unfortunately, due to the restrictions of COVID-19, the awards have had to be organised remotely. I would like to personally thank all those nominated this year and indeed all those who've participated in preceding years. I'm delighted to announce the winners of this year's awards. The Lifetime Achievement Award goes to Brian Rees, a professional farm safety training consultant, mentor and farmer from Llandrindod, Wales. This year's Brynley Williams Award winner is Emyr Owen from Bodrach near Pandy Tudor in North Wales. The Farm Innovation Award goes to Osian Williams from Welshpool. The Farming Connect Young Learner Award for individuals under 40 goes to Gerald Hughes, who farms at Frith-Nantle, Carnarvon. The winner for the Lifelong Learner of the Year Award for individuals over 40 goes to Debbie Morgan. And finally, the Farming Connect Animal Health and Welfare Award goes to beef and sheep farmer Bridget Barnes, who farms at Forest Coalpit, Abergavenny. Every nominee for this year's Lantra Cymru Awards has demonstrated their commitment to lifelong learning, to increasing efficiency, introducing innovation and maintaining the highest standards across all areas of working. I thank and congratulate you all. Diolch yn fawr.